Okay, 4.2. For this one, we'll just use the formula for compound interest. We'll also just substitute the values, and then that should tell us the number of years. We want to solve for t. Now, the question doesn't give us a specific value that doubles, so we don't know, or we don't have a specific number to represent our accumulated amount. We just know that it is double of what it was, so that should tell us that instead of a over here, I should end up with 2 times p. So I have 2p is equal to p, and then 1 plus, now the rate we're given in the question is 5.5%, and we'll have to write that as a decimal, so this is 0.055. We would divide by the number of times it is compounded, but since it's compounded annually, inflation happens once, so we divide by 1, which doesn't change anything. And then n is 1, and then t is what we are trying to work out. Okay, so we have our equation. We can go ahead and solve. Here I can divide by p because p is definitely not equal to 0. Nothing is free. So I divide by p on both sides. Then I'm left with 2 is equal to 1 plus 0.055 to the power of t. I can combine these two. I should have done that in the previous step. There's 1.055 to the power of t. So here I have a logarithm, I have an exponential equation. Then I just introduce logarithms. So you can take ln of 2 on both sides. You can take ln on both sides. You can take logarithm to the base of 2 on both sides, base 10. It doesn't actually matter. So I will take ln. So I have ln of 2. This is equal to ln of 1.055 to the power of t. We know what happens here. The t comes down. So I have ln of 2. This is equal to t multiplied by ln of 1.055. Then I divide by this, by ln of 1.055, ln of 1.055. I'm left with t is equal to ln of 2 over ln 1.055. This I just work out on my calculator. I have ln of 2 divided by ln of 1.055. Okay, what do I get? I get 12.95 okay, years, and this is approximately 13 years. Okay, so if you have an inflation rate of 5.5% in about 13 years, you can expect prices to double. Okay, so I think, yeah, all of you are alive 13 years ago, so you can check how much did a loaf of bread cost then and how much does it cost now. It's almost doubled.